If you're dealing with an enlarged prostate, you're likely seeking ways to reduce discomfort and improve your quality of life. But did you know that certain foods could be making your symptoms worse? Yes, some common foods may be contributing to prostate inflammation, increased urinary urgency, and other frustrating symptoms. Today, we're sharing 7 foods that you should avoid if you want to support a healthy prostate and shrink its size naturally. Stick around until the end to learn about the number 1 food you should eliminate from your diet immediately. 7. Red meat. Starting off our list at number 7 is red meat. Diets high in red meat, particularly processed red meat like sausages and bacon, have been linked to higher risks of prostate issues. Red meat contains saturated fats and inflammatory compounds that can worsen inflammation in the body, including in the prostate. This inflammation can lead to increased swelling, making symptoms like frequent urination and discomfort even more severe for men with an enlarged prostate. Additionally, when red meat is cooked at high temperatures, such as grilling or frying, it can produce harmful compounds called heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs. These compounds are associated with inflammation and have been linked to various health risks, including an increased likelihood of prostate complications. For men trying to reduce prostate size naturally, minimizing red meat intake can be beneficial. Instead, consider opting for leaner protein sources, such as fish, poultry, or plant-based proteins like lentils and beans. These alternatives provide essential nutrients without the added inflammation. Reducing red meat in your diet may help lower inflammation, support prostate health, and potentially reduce your prostate size over time. If you're still dealing with these frustrating symptoms of an enlarged prostate, there's a powerful natural solution that's been helping men all over the world. Check out the link in the description for a doctor-recommended prostate remedy that might be just what you need. 6. Dairy products. At number 6, we have dairy products. Dairy, including milk, cheese, and yogurt, can contribute to increased inflammation in the body. Studies have shown that men who consume high amounts of dairy have a higher risk of developing prostate issues, possibly due to the saturated fats and certain proteins found in dairy products. Saturated fats are known to promote inflammation, which can worsen symptoms associated with an enlarged prostate. Moreover, dairy products can contain growth hormones and antibiotics, which may disrupt hormone levels in the body. Hormonal imbalances can exacerbate prostate swelling and lead to more pronounced urinary symptoms. For men with BPH, managing hormone balance is crucial to reducing prostate size and improving urinary function. If you enjoy dairy but want to support your prostate health, consider switching to plant-based alternatives like almond milk, oat milk, or coconut yogurt. These options are lower in saturated fats and don't contain hormones or antibiotics. Making this switch can help reduce inflammation and support a healthier prostate. 5. Processed foods. At number 5, we have processed foods. These include items like packaged snacks, fast food, and frozen meals, which are often high in unhealthy fats, salt, and preservatives. Processed foods are loaded with trans fats and refined sugars, both of which contribute to inflammation and can worsen symptoms of an enlarged prostate. For men seeking relief from prostate discomfort, reducing processed foods can be a game changer. Additionally, the high sodium content in processed foods can lead to water retention, putting added pressure on the bladder and worsening urinary symptoms. Excessive salt intake can also elevate blood pressure, which can negatively impact prostate health. Processed foods may be convenient, but their impact on prostate symptoms can make everyday life more challenging. To support prostate health, opt for whole foods such as fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. By choosing natural, unprocessed options, you can help reduce inflammation, manage symptoms, and improve your prostate health over time. Making small changes to your diet can have a big impact on your overall well-being. At number 4 are spicy foods. Spices like chili, hot sauce, and jalapenos can irritate the bladder and urinary tract, making symptoms of an enlarged prostate worse. Spicy foods can stimulate bladder contractions, leading to increased urgency and discomfort. For men with BPH, avoiding spicy foods can help manage these symptoms and make urination more comfortable. In addition to irritating the bladder, spicy foods may also exacerbate inflammation in the prostate. When consumed frequently, spicy foods can increase inflammation in the body, making it harder to manage prostate swelling and discomfort. For men looking to support prostate health, cutting back on spicy foods may lead to noticeable improvements in symptoms. If you enjoy spicy foods, try substituting with milder herbs and spices like basil, thyme, or ginger, which can add flavor without irritating the bladder. This simple dietary change may help alleviate urinary symptoms and promote better prostate health in the long run. Coming in at number 3 is alcohol. Alcohol is a diuretic, meaning it increases urine production, which can lead to more frequent bathroom trips. For men with an enlarged prostate, this can exacerbate symptoms of urgency, especially during nighttime, disrupting sleep and causing fatigue. Excessive alcohol consumption can make it challenging to manage prostate symptoms effectively. Moreover, alcohol can dehydrate the body, which can lead to concentrated urine that irritates the bladder. This bladder irritation can worsen urinary symptoms, making it harder to control urination. For men dealing with BPH, avoiding or limiting alcohol intake can help reduce these aggravating symptoms and improve urinary comfort. If you enjoy the occasional drink, consider reducing your intake and drinking water alongside alcohol to stay hydrated. By limiting alcohol consumption, you can support a healthier prostate, improve urinary function, and reduce nighttime disruptions. At number 2, we have sugary beverages including sodas, fruit punches, and sweetened teas. High sugar intake has been linked to increased inflammation in the body, which can worsen symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Sugar also causes insulin spikes, which can lead to weight gain, another factor that can negatively impact prostate health. Excess weight around the abdomen can increase pressure on the bladder, making urinary symptoms more severe. Sugary drinks can also irritate the bladder and increase the frequency of urination. For men with BPH, managing sugar intake is essential to reduce bladder irritation and improve urinary function. Replacing sugary beverages with water or herbal teas can help keep you hydrated and reduce the strain on your bladder. If you're craving a sweet drink, try infusing water with fresh fruits like lemon cucumber or berries for a natural flavor boost. Reducing sugary beverages can help manage blood sugar levels, decrease inflammation, and ultimately support a healthier prostate. Finally, at number 1 is caffeinated drinks. Coffee, black tea, energy drinks, and even certain sodas contain caffeine, which acts as a stimulant and a diuretic. Diuretics increase urine production, which can lead to more frequent bathroom trips and worsen urgency, especially for men with an enlarged prostate. For those already struggling with BPH, caffeine can make symptoms more challenging to control. Beyond its diuretic effects, caffeine can irritate the bladder, causing contractions that lead to a stronger urge to urinate. This irritation can make it harder to manage prostate symptoms, leading to more discomfort and nighttime disruptions. For men with prostate issues, reducing or eliminating caffeine can significantly improve urinary symptoms and provide relief. If you rely on caffeine for an energy boost, consider switching to caffeine-free herbal teas like chamomile or peppermint. These options are gentle on the bladder and won't increase urination frequency. Reducing caffeine intake may help you experience fewer bathroom trips, better sleep, and improved prostate health overall. If you're looking to get relief from the enlarged prostate symptoms quickly, there's a unique prostate health juice that dissolves the root causes of discomfort. Click the link in the description to learn more about this potent remedy. And there you have it, the 7 foods that could be making it harder to shrink your enlarged prostate and manage your symptoms. By avoiding these foods and making healthier dietary choices, you can support a healthier prostate, reduce discomfort, and regain control over your daily life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health insights. And if you're looking for additional natural support for prostate health, check the link in our description for a highly recommended remedy that's helping men worldwide. Thanks for watching, and here's to better health.